even talk to nobody no more. It's like I just be in my head all day. Deep breath.
Deep breath, deep breath, deep breath.
I've been having conversations with myself lately. Ain't nobody else really understand me. I got people around, but it feel empty. Same room, still feel like they ain't with me. I remember nights I was broke, no lights. Now I got money, I still can't sleep at night. Funny how it changed, I got everything I wanted, but it don't feel like I thought it would. Honest, ain't complaining, I'm just saying how I feel. I done seen so much, it don't feel real. Lost people on the way, I still think about them. Made it out the hood, but I still dream about it. It's like I'm stuck in between who I was and who I am. Trying to balance all this pressure, I don't think they understand. I've been talking to myself, trying to figure it all out. Made it out, but I still feel lost. Even when I'm up right now, I got family depending on me, that's pressure. Every move that I make gotta be better. Can't slip, can't fall, can't mess up. Feel like the weight of the world on my chest, yeah. They see the wins, they don't see the cost. All the pain that I took, all the times I was lost. Smile through it, I ain't show it. Deep down I was fighting emotions I don't trust like I used to. Seen love turn fake, I had to keep my distance, play careful. Everybody close ain't there for you, yeah. And I know I changed, I admit that. Pain did that, I ain't picked that. Life hit hard, I just hit back, but it left scars, I still feel that. I've been talking to myself. Late nights don't need nobody, even when I'm winning now. Feel like something still missing. Sometimes I sit back and think about the old me. Wish I could tell them just wait, you gon' be free. But I ain't know it come with this way. All this money don't fix this pain. I lost parts of me on the way up. Had to let go just to stay up. Now I'm here but I don't feel whole. Still trying to find what I lost. I ain't perfect, I'm just human. Still got wounds, I'm still bruising. Still got nights I feel useless, even with everything moving. I guess this what it come with. When you turn pain into something, you win, but you lose something too. And they don't tell you that part. I made it out, yeah, but I don't know. It just feel different.
I've been talking to myself.
It's silence.
I've been talking to myself.
It's like I just be in my head all day.
Deep breath, deep fades in.
I've been having conversations with myself lately. Ain't nobody else really understand me. I got people around but it feel empty. Same room, still feel like they ain't with me. I remember nights I was broke, no lights. Now I got money, I still can't sleep at night. Funny how it changed, I got everything I wanted, but it don't feel like I thought it would, honest. I ain't complaining, I'm just saying how it feel. I done seen too much, it don't feel real. Lost people on the way, I still think about. Made it out the hood, but I still dream about it. It's like I'm stuck in between who I was and who I am. Tryna balance all this pressure, I don't think they understand.
I've been talking to myself,
yeah. Tryna figure it all out. Oh, made it out, but I
still feel lost.
Even when I'm up right now, yeah. I got family depending on me, that's pressure. Every move that I make gotta be better. Can't slip, can't fall, can't mess up. Feel like the weight of the world on my chest, yeah. They see the wins, they don't see the cost. All the pain that I took, all the times I was lost. Smile through it, I ain't show it. Deep down I was fighting emotions I don't trust like I used to. Seen love turn fake, I had to keep my distance, play it careful. Everybody close ain't there for you, and I know I changed, I admit that. Pain did that, I ain't picked that. Life hit hard, I just hit back, but it left scars, I still feel that.
I've been talking to myself.
Late nights, I don't need nobody,
even when I'm winning now.
Feel like something still missing. Sometimes I sit back and think about the whole me. Wish I could tell them just wait, you gon' be free. but I ain't know it come with this weight. All this money don't fix this pain. I lost parts of me on the way up, had to let go just to stay up. Now I'm here but I don't feel whole, still trying to find what I lost. Ain't perfect, I'm just human. Still got wounds, I'm still bruised in. Still got nights I feel useless, even with everything moving. I guess this what it come with, when you turn pain into something. You win, but you lose something too. And they don't tell you that part out. I made it out, yeah, but I don't know, it just feel different.
Deep breath, silence.
Yeah, I spent too long trying to control everything, and I realized peace starts when you let go and let God. I used to grip light tight with both hands closed, trying to force outcome nobody knows. If it didn't move how I planned it to go, I stressed all night like I lost control. I carried weight that wasn't mine to hold, trying to predict every twist in the road. But every time I try to run ahead, God slow my steps just to clear my head. I thought surrender meant losing the fight, but sometimes surrender the reason you right. I had to learn faith, ain't proving you strong. It's trusting God even when things go wrong. Every burden I release, turn into a deeper peace. When I stop trying to see it all, I hear the quiet when he calls.
Let go and let God. He sees the road ahead when I can't understand. He's guiding every step. Let go and let God.
No reason to fear the fall. What's meant for my life won't miss me at all.
Let go and let God.
I was fighting battles I couldn't win, arguing with fate, wrestling with them, trying to control what people say, trying to control how things would play. But peace came when I stepped aside, when I stopped feeding my ego and pride. Some things only heaven can fix, some storms only patience can mix. I stopped chasing answers overnight, started trusting divine inside. God don't rush what he refined, everything unfolding in time.
Take my word, take my doubt, take the fear, I'm letting out. Lead me forward, light the way, I trust you more. With that, let go and let God. He sees the road ahead when I can't understand. He's guiding every step. Let go and let God.
No reason to fear the fall. What's meant for my life won't miss me at all.
Let go and let God. He sees the road ahead when I can't understand. He's guiding every step. Let go and let God.
No reason to fear the fall. What's meant for my life won't miss me at all.
Let go and let God.
Now I breathe deeper when trouble appear. Not every storm, something to fear. Some of them lessons shaping the soul, teaching patience, teaching control. I still plan, but I hold it light, knowing God adjust the flight if he redirect. I trust the design, his wisdom greater than mine. So if the future's still unclear, I'll keep walking without the fear. Cause when I loosen my grip on the odds, I finally let go and let God. Not everything needs my control, not every answer needs to be known. Sometimes faith simply means let go.
Let go and let God.
Still thinking about the way you move.
What's up? What's up, Chad? What's up? Good morning. Hey. What's up? Good morning, everybody. How you guys doing? How you doing? What's up, Roseline? What's up, Roby? How we feeling? How we feeling? Good morning, chat. Good morning, everybody. So what's up? Shout out to 8 viewers right now. How we feeling? How we feeling? All right, what we got here? Daily. Ooh, we closed bearish heavy yesterday. 1000 pip move. Ooh, weekly candle starting to react. All right, let's do a top down analysis here, chat. Let's do a top down. Let's start with the weekly because the weekly we still have 13 hours for the candle to close. We move 1850 pips and yeah, we're still sitting on the support level on the weekly time frame, and as you can see, if this candle closed bullish, now we have a new support form that can mirror that left hand side here. So as you can see, we have support form here, right? So if this candle closed bearish, I mean sorry, bullish, yeah, we might probably mirror that towards to the upside. Let's see. And yeah, we still have 13 hours and 26 minutes here. And we almost tapped the resistance level and yeah, reject pretty heavy. So yeah, the plan here is to have a gap fill for the week, right? Because they haven't filled the gap, but right now we filled the gap already. So let's see, right? If this candle gonna decides to close bullish or gonna flip bearish, because we still have clean traffic, below support. We still have clean traffic towards to the downside here. It's really clean, right? So let's see here. Let's drop down to the daily time frame. So the daily, oh, as you can see, um, we still in the sitting of support level. I mean, we have a new resistance level on price. Um, This is the support, and the resistance is above here. And we have a new candle that closed heavy bearish. And as you can see, the current candle open. Probably we're creating some a top wick, right? We're creating a top wick, and then we're ready to move down once again. But let's see. I'm still, look for buys, potential buys if there's a lot chance of buying. If we gonna see a clean traffic towards to the upside, we're gonna look for good opportunity for buys here. So yeah, for our time frame, as you can see, we still in the range here. Um, we have a support level sitting right here. Some minor levels here on price two, and the candle that closed no bottom, no top wick, right? And here we might struggle a little bit here on the price. Might struggle a little bit here, and hourly. I look at the hourly here. So as you can see, the hourly, you have new support form, resistance. You have new resistance here too. And this candle is about to close in 24 minutes. Let's see. We have consolidations here on price, and the big candles are pushing up through towards to the upside here, right? So let's see 15. Yeah, we have pretty decent range here on price. We have a resistance. I'm gonna mark this as a resistance because we price stops in and create a new resistance, and support form, I'm gonna put it here below 4033. So if this resistance close above, should be fine. 60 pip move. All right. So let's see here, chat. Give me a second here. All right, 6 minutes here for the candle to close. Let's see what will happen here. Early will close in 21 minutes. 15. It's about to close in 6 minutes here. We top resistance. We have I'd say minor rejections. The spread in 1 minute is crazy. What do you mean? What broker are you using? Which broker are you using? And you're talking about spread. Irante. Oh, Irante has a tight spread. So yeah, you don't need to be worried. It's pretty normal. You don't if you're looking to 1 minute, yeah, you will see a little gap because I'm using FTMO, and as you can see, right, this is massive. Look at that. 4 pip spread in Irante, you're gonna have 2 pip, I believe, yeah. Right now it's 4 pip, right? See, look at that big spread. 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Let's see. Closure, a closure. So the 30 is still pushing up here. Yeah. Oh no, it's pushing down now. Flipping bearish. The Arlie, yeah, that's the Arlie no bottom wick. No bottom wick. No bottom wick. No bottom wick. If this candle close a week bearish, like um like this, we're not gonna touch anything here. We're gonna wait for a new support form. And then break below support should be fine to move down. July is about to end. It's about to finish. Man, it's pretty fast. Holy. One more week and then we're moving on to August. Quarter 3. Yeah. I mean, starting quarter 3 is not pretty much interesting here. Price action in July is not really, clean. Not clean. Clean, clean. A minute and 30 seconds. Yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. And if you are new to the channel, make sure you drop a like and subs to the channel. Drop and subs to the channel, chat. Yeah, no good closure here. 30 seconds. Now we're gonna wait for a new support form. The 15 doesn't look that we're gonna move down. 15. Oh, late. Doesn't look good here. Today it's Friday, man. Wednesday, I don't think that we grab the big waves. Thursday, nothing. No news today. Next week, Monday, no news. Tuesday, no news as well. Wednesday, oh, Wednesday FOMC. Would you look at that? Thursday, GDP. Friday, nothing. And August. Friday is the first NFP. Oh, NFP. Holy. Holy guac. All right, candle close. Now good. Now good, chat. On the closure. Gonna wait. We gonna wait. How's the journey so far, gang? On the month of July. Let me know in the chat. How's the journey? How's the your trading journey so far? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know, gang. Talk to me, chat. July. Yeah, still up 207 pips on July. Back to demo mode due to losing streak on live account. Why? What happened? What happened, Roby? But it's okay, back to demo mode. But I mean, yeah, losing is pretty tough, you know, and that's okay. Take L's, that's okay. I'm taking big L's too. And revenge trading, yeah. So you need to stop that revenge trading thing. To be honest, this July is it's been tough, tough price action. In our session, in London session, you couldn't see direction. It's been tough and it's pretty normal because the market conditions, it's changing every single day, every single week, every single month. Market condition. So I'd say that July, it's been, tough on price actions here. You can predict where's the price gonna headed. But that's the good thing. You go back to demo, instead of losing a lot of money, yeah, it's okay. But if you wanna like start, because demo has no like feelings, no emotions. You just practice the strategy out there. But if you wanna, practice the emotion and psychology, buy a funded account better, because those mindset on the funded account is emotion wise too. You need to pass those funded account, right? Because you're paying for funded account, you're paying for the challenges. So there is emotions too. Psychology thing is there. So I advise better to buy a small account and funded account, funding challenge, and yeah, you're gonna be good. Buy on the next gen funding if you want. Buy a small. I think there's 5,000 5K challenge. You can take that. You can practice that no better on demo account, because once you pass that challenge, they're going to fund you an account. It's gonna be live, and when you got a profit, they give you 80%, and they gonna take 20%. Trading is really hard, Roby. Trading is really hard. You cannot control that. Trading is really hard. You just need to be disciplined and write down notes. What's the wrong with you? What's the mistakes that you did? And it's all about practice and repetitions. I always believe on that, because right now you're saying you did a lot of mistake and losing streak. It's all part. Sometimes I have a losing streak of week. I have a losing streak of month. Right now on the funding account, I haven't withdraw yet. I haven't take a payout because I'm still on the losing streak. I still on the drawdown. So I stay composed. Right? Some it's happened, because trading is a business. Not every single day you're gonna make money into the market. No, right? No. Week you haven't gonna take money in a week, and you haven't got money in the month. So you stay composed. And losing streak is really, pain in the ass. I know, but stick to the plan, stick to the process. And all the losing, money that you have, it's basically a tuition fee. right? Put that in mind, is just tuition fee, right? Because once you learn the skill, once you have the skill already in one trade, those maybe, right, those losing that you have, maybe you're gonna, take that in one day. You just need to be consistent, showing up every single day, even you don't feel like it. Yeah, even you're tired, and just show up. I will never know what will happen the next day. We never know what will happen today. Maybe once you have the skill and then you took a trade, you won, right? And trading is lifetime process, man. Because you need to study every single day. You need to study the market. You need to study the market. And losing is part of a game. Losing is part because you're gonna learn the mistake. You're gonna learn from that, from your mistake. I'm just here, I'm just here to guide you, right? I'm just here to teach you. I'm just here to share my wisdom, to share my value. But you're in the end of the day, you're the one gonna figure out things. How many months now you're into trading, Roby? A year now or a month? 9 months already. Yeah, you're still in the learning phase. It's okay. You don't need to rush process. You don't need to rush things. Are you still in the learning phase? And what strategy are you following with? Which strategy? Practicing support resistance with volume profile and 9 EMA. Oh, yeah. Okay. Where did you learn that strategy? I'm gonna give you some, key things. Okay, so there's a lot of traders out there that I don't know if they're really making money into the market, or maybe they just wanna teach and take advantage to the people, to the trader, right? So for me, you just need to follow the people that has some results already. right? I don't have any big results, but I can share, I can show you some, profit that I made into the market, right? For me, when I start trading, my strategy is like a supply and demand, and I learned that from different people too. And suddenly all of a sudden it's not really, working for me, right? And you know, one day I stumbled upon strategy of Raja Banks, right? I stumbled upon him in YouTube, and before then, um, I know how to read support and resistance because one guy in YouTube, his name is Don. His name is Don Vo. Um, we are the I follow him. So similar strategy, right? And he made the $1 million. He's a young kid. He's like 23 years old. He's a YouTuber. He's a streamer too. And I start with him, right? It's really good. Price action is the same, similar strategy. Support resistance and candle patterns, candlestick structure. And I stumbled upon Raja Banks, and his strategy is very, very similar. It's the same. And I learned his concept. I learned his setup, the entry, and it's really, really basic. It's really um easy to understand. You just need to wait for a candle to close, right? Mark up levels, support and resistance, and wait for a structure. Wait for a candle to close. If it's break above, it's a break below, you're going to take a trade. And it's really important there. It's you understand the volume, right? You understand what time is the volume time. Like let's say in the London 12 p.m. London session. That's really, matter because that's really important for me because it's volume time. I need volume, right? So yeah, Rajabanks made a lot of money already. He owned the broker, he made a lot of money, and I follow him. I attend his boot camp. I was his student till now, and the results follow because I mastered the strategy. I'm not saying master the strategy, but I know what I am doing right now, right? Because maybe the strategy, maybe there's a problem with the strategy. I don't know who invent those strategy, but if you follow the people that has the results already, you just need to copy that people, that person, right? You just need to copy those. You don't need to create your own strategy, whatever strategy is that. You don't need to create that because it's really hard. Okay? It's really hard. If you are in trading every single day, you are in the battlefield. You're either gonna lose a lot of money, right? Or you're not gonna take trade. Or you're just gonna stuck there because you haven't, you are scared because you don't know if this gonna, it's gonna work or no, right? Stop doing buying and selling right now, man. Stop doing that because it's not gonna help you. You just need to have a concrete plan every single day. Write those plan and follow that every single day, and you're gonna be good. He has own broker, yeah. He has an own broker, yeah. Here in Dubai, yeah, yes. He owned Dominion Markets. He owned Prop Firm too. So he has a lot of business, man. That guy is a legend. 3 months ago, he pulled up. He deposited a $50 account. He deposited $50 account, and he traded that live in front of I think 3,000 people every single day, and right now those $50 account is sitting on 8K now, 8K USD, 3 months. Holy. Yeah, that's amazing. That's cold. That cold skill, I can do that too, but it's pretty hard. It's pretty hard for me yet. Maybe 50 into a 10K in a year. I can do that, because he's in the market for, I guess, 11 years, more than. And he became profitable after 3 years. He became profitable after 3 years. And I guess he lose 500K, half in a million USD. Half in a million USD in investment account. That's his story. You guys follow him. Yeah, you just watch his podcast. Yeah, 1 to 2 trades a day. You don't need to just, it's all about, let's say you have a, one bullet a day. You have a gun and you have a one bullet a day. You just give it a shot. Daniel Holmes, yeah, it's the same. Yeah, as you can see, we're the same. We're having same mentor. Our mentor is Raja Banks. You can ask Daniel Holmes too, and the guy that in the YouTube on New York session is the same. We follow Raja Banks. But they're they're in the industry for, I guess, 6 years already. I think Daniel Holmes 7 years, 6 years more than in trading, and Nick Stewart is, I think, more than 10 years too. And me coming 3 years this year, October. Yeah, it's a long journey, gang. Holy. And doing full time trading, I think almost 1.5 year now. Only trading. No other job, only trading. Showing up in the stream and yeah, grateful. No boss, no nothing. I don't need to report with someone else. I just woke up what time I want, do whatever I want. That's the goal. That's the goal. Ooh, 30 minutes open. 30 minutes open. Nice. That's why you're so good. I'm not so good. Roby, it's just a matter of following the plan every single day. It's all about repetitions, practice and repetitions. Be, you need to master probability. Be a probability. Because we're playing probability, right? It's probable, probability. So you need to master that. And then you need to be a good loser. You need to be a good loser. I've been in your seat like 2 years ago when I start trading, when I seeking for a strategy, what the strategy is really the best, what strategy is gonna work for me. You know, I believe all the strategy is really working. The problem is how you're going to work with that strategy. It's all about patience and discipline. Like you're sitting, right? We're sitting right now. We understand what we're doing. You understand what you're doing. You're waiting for the right setup to come. If there's no setup, no trade. Because what's the point of rushing things? What's the point of rushing trades? Right? What's the point? Philip, how you doing? How you doing? How you doing? 4 minutes. Might close bullish or weak bearish candle here. And damn, we might close like this. London session chop again here, chat. No good. Mm. I observed this month, man. When we are doing live stream, when I'm doing live stream, London session chop. July has been tough. Price action wise, tough. Pretty tough. 3 minutes. Are we going to close bearish? Small body candle. Small body candle. If this candle close at least this, we might push 120 pips. So yeah, 2 minutes here, chat. 2 minutes. Two minutes, chat. 2 minutes. Robius, how you doing? How you doing? Roby from the Philippines. Hey, doing blessed and highly favored, bro. We bless and highly favor. Damn, Goldie. What's your plan today? Consolidations today? Damn, slow market. No more. July, yeah, me too, bro. I haven't taken any payout my last payout was July 1 and I haven't taken any payout. I'm in losing streak. I'm into drawdown. It's been tough. I am down 4% into account FTMO. I'm down 4%, but it's okay. I was NY, nothing for me in NY. It's pretty slow, man. I don't wanna, force anything. NY session cannot, for me, this NY, but this is NY, but happening on the late session. I mean, early session here. Look at this. No top wick, no bottom wick, no buenos here. Really, no buenos. Slow month, pretty slow. Price action has been tough on this July. No good. No good. But it's all okay. So I have this mount. Oh, re-broke the lows again? Damn, what is this? Why are not pushing? Second re-broke here. Second re-broke. Let's see. If the candle rebroking the low, yeah, we might pop towards to the downside. Consolidations, man. Look at that. 30 minutes rebroke, didn't push through. Yeah. So look at this. Sellers is activated here. Rebroke, activated, and rebroke, activated again. Now fake out. Look at that. Activate here, activate here. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Goldie, what's the plan? Goldie, don't want to move today. D- Don't want to move on the session. Goldie. Shout out to 20 viewers right now. Chat, can I see 20 likes in the stream here? If you are new to the channel, make sure drop a like and subs to the channel, gang. Subs to the channel. Let's go. All right, let's see here. 4 minutes for a 30-minute candle closure. Oh, we're closing above here. Holy. Damn. Look at that late candle move. No top wick. Holy. No top wick. What's the plan today, gang? Yeah, what's the plan today? What's the plan, everybody? All right, Fly Goldie. I sit on my ass today. I will enjoy my coffee, my perfume. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's good. Waiting for the A plus setup. Good, good, good. With goodie. Still clean traffic going up here. We might retest this later tonight. Do we have news? No news. No news. Yeah, no news here, chat. Nothing. So yeah, we close above here, but we still have a next zone that's sitting right here, and we couldn't. No, we couldn't. I don't want to take anything here above the candle that closed above. No top wick. Yeah, so I might wait. Might consolidate here for a while. So yeah. Sup, Anthony? How you doing? How you doing? But high chance of pushing through towards to the upside here. Weekly still bullish here. 12 hours for the candle to close. The daily is trying to move up here. Right? The daily is trying to move up. So let's see. Let's see for the day. 4 hour pretty clean to move up. 9 minutes for a candle to close. Yeah. But I guess for us, nothing here. We're gonna wait for a clean structure, probably above this 4050 or 60 area. 4060 might be nice to take a buy. Because I wanna take buy once the retest here or this planning to buy 4033 and move up even further. If the candle structure decides to close above and pushing through, yeah, we might wait for the 4060 here. I'm taking buy from there. So yeah, man, chat. I'm gonna call it stream here. Thank you again for tuning into the live stream today. I really appreciate you all for the week. I guess yeah, W stream for the week, and we're gonna come back next week. All right, chat. So yeah, thank you, Robius. See you guys next week, and yeah, if you guys gonna trade later on tonight, make sure you have a stop loss and don't over trade, don't over risk, gang.
Sometimes you
All right,
gotta step back.
see you guys. Peace and love.
Look at your life.
Love you all, gang. Out here.
Who am I doing this for? Yeah, yeah. I've been losing sleep, chasing validation. Trying to please the world, lost my own creation. Mirror talking back, asking what I'm facing. Is it really love or just admiration? Had to take a break from the noise outside. Too many opinions had me switching sides. I was running fast, but I lost my stride. Now I'm looking inward, trying to realign. Used to think success was a bigger chain, or a louder crowd screaming out my name. But the deeper truth hit me through the pain. If you don't know yourself, it's a hollow game. Yeah. I remember days I would doubt my worth, comparing my path, felt like I was cursed. But growth ain't linear, that's what I learned. Sometimes you gotta fall just to feel rebirth. Now I'm focused on myself. Yeah. Had to find my peace, I needed help. I did. All the pressure weighing on my mental health. Now I'm learning how to love myself. Yeah. I'm focused on my soul. I don't need the world to make me whole. Walking my path, I'm taking control. Finally feeling like I'm in my zone. Yeah. I cut off distractions, it hurt, but it's real. Some people ain't meant for the life that you build. They love when you down, but hate when you hear. That's a different type of pain you just gotta conceal. I had to sit with my thoughts in silence, face all my fears. No more hiding. Growth comes slow, but it's perfect timing. Even dark nights got a silver lining. Mama told me, son, just trust your way. Even when the sky turning dark to gray. Every stormy face gon' make you brave. Every loss you take, just the price you pay. Now I'm writing letters to my past self, saying thank you for the scars you felt. You the reason I can stand this tall. You the reason I ain't folded off. Focused on myself. Had to find my peace, I needed help. I did. All the pressure weighing on my mental